Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Alena? Kunyu Kapkai. Kunyu Gapkai. Who do you live with? Next. How many siblings do you have? Pewalayan pa sa tayo. Kon mi pinong kikon. Kon mi pinong kikon. Okay, what are your favorite hobbies or activities? Pewalayan pa sa tayo. Chob ngan derek kap alay. Next, this one, read. What is your favorite sport or physical activity? Next. Do you have any special talents or skills? Next. What are your favorite subjects in school? Pewalayan pa sa tayo. Chob, Wicha, Aray, Nairong, Rian. Okay, why do you like these subjects? Next. What do you want to learn more about this year? Pewalayan pa sa tayo. Kun, Yak, Rian, Aray, Naipini. Why are you clapping? What are your goals for this school year? What is something you want to achieve in the future? Okay, what is your favorite food? Pewalayan pa sa tayo. Konchob, kin, ahan, aray. Okay, do you have a favorite book or author? Do you have a favorite book? Pewalayan pa sa tayo. Konchob ng su aray. Next. Okay, what's one interesting or fun fact about you? Okay, do you have any pets? If yes, tell us about them. Do you have any pets? Pewalayan pa sa tayo. Kon mi sat liang may. Okay, what's one thing you've always wanted to learn or try? Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class.